Hey everyone, Bill here from Holidays Lane, and today I want to show you two of our DIY beaded and sequin ornament kits. Now, in 2023, some of the hottest trends are around pastel colors, which is exactly why I wanted to highlight these two ornament kits for you today. What we have are Bubblegum Stars, which has a very heavily iridescent light pink color, and then we have Jade Stars, which also has like a golden iridescence to the green-blue color, and they'd fit in perfectly with a regular traditional tree, or if you're doing something very trendy this year and doing the pastel colors. Seeing a lot of pastel colors coming through in like Candyland themed ornaments, and there are like gingerbread house style things that are coming out that are all in the pastel colors. And actually we even saw it in Halloween decor this year, pastels. So what you get when you order one of our DIY kits is everything comes in a little baggie like this here. We have illustrated, easy to follow instructions, so it'll guide you step by step through the process. We say that this is really for people about 10 and up. It's a great idea to do a craft night for adults if you want to order a bunch of kits, get some people together, or you can just order a bunch yourself and either keep them or give them out as gifts. Either way, we say to allow about 2 hours to complete one ornament, give or take, but you follow along the instructions. What comes with the kit then is you get your foam ball. We also make it easy. We have two of these pre-cut ribbons, so they'll fit exactly around the ball for you, so you're just going to wrap them on. It comes with a baggie of little bits and baubles, things that make it extra special. You have a baggie of our teeny tiny little gold glass beads that helps hold them in place. You have your gold pins. Now these are brass plated steel, so they could be like a super bright gold, but over time they're going to darken a little bit. And then depending on which kit you order, you're going to have either the pink sequins or the blue jade colored sequins. The only thing you're going to need are a couple drops of glue yourself, and I think everybody has that in that junk drawer. You know, you're just going to use a couple drops there to get the hanger to stick. Can't really send you a couple drops of glue because by the time it gets to you, it's going to dry out anyway. So keep watching the video. What I'm going to do is show a 360 view of each of the ornaments so you get a real close look at it. And feel free to go ahead and order online. So that's at holidayslane.com. You can also find us Holidays Lane on Etsy. And at Holidays Lane, we like to say every day is a holiday.